go. Yay. I have a poet, a great poet here. His name is Atta Agyei. He have a poet about nature. Sing, my son. Yeah, talk.
Feel the earth over you. Feel the wind over you. The grass, the clouds, the sky, the trees. You are part of everything. You are part of every living thing in this realm. And you are. You are nature.
Nature.
You are wild.
Yes.
And you will always will be. You just need to find it. In here.
Within you.
Within you. Try. And I seen it.
Yes. Indeed you have. Okay. So the nature poet, he speaks from within. He speaks from beyond. And he always advises us to go closer to nature, because we are nature. We have to find ourselves. We have to find our balance again, and that we are one with nature. So I'm going to let the nature Atta Agyei talk to you later when he have another poem for us. Okay? Talk to you at part 2, Atta Agyei's poems about nature. Bye-bye.